2014 paper 1, question 1b part 1. The graph of the function g of x is equal to minus 2x minus 6, and it intersects f of x, and you're told by letting g of x equal f of x, find the coordinates of the points where the two graphs intersect. Now, from part A of the question, we know that f of x is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. So let the two of them equal each other. So x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals minus 2x minus 6. That's your f of x equals your g of x. So you get x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x, and the two sixes cancel. So we'll just call that something like h of x. So we have to solve this. It's a cubic equation, so we look to see have we got any factors. So we'll try 1. So if we try in 1 cubed plus 2 by 1 minus 3 by 1, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So therefore x equal to 1 is a root, and x minus 1 is a factor. So if it's a factor, it's going to divide into h of x, leaving no remainder. So 2x squared minus 3x. Okay, so what do we multiply x by to give us x cubed? The answer being x squared. X squared by x is x cubed. X squared by minus 1 is minus x squared. Change your signs and cancel. 2x squared plus x squared is 3x squared minus 3x. What do you multiply x by to give you 3x squared? The answer being 3x. 3x by x is 3x squared. 3x by minus 1 is minus 3x. And change the signs and we'll cancel. So now we know that x squared plus 3x is a factor. So let's solve it. We'll factorize it, take out what's common, x, and we're left with x plus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. Right, so we have to find our corresponding values of y. We know that our roots are x equal to 1, x equal to 0, and x equal to minus 3. So we need to go back to our y function, or f of x function, which is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. And we'll put in 1, and we'll put in 0, and we'll put in minus 3. Okay, so it's 1 cubed plus 2 by 1 squared minus 5 by 1 minus 6, and we get an answer of minus 8. So our point is 1 minus 8. That's the first point where the line and the curve intersect. Then we have 0 cubed plus 2 by 0 squared minus 5 by 0 minus 6. So that gives us an answer of minus 6. So our next point is 0 minus 6. And then we have f of minus 3, which is minus 3 cubed plus 2 by minus 3 squared minus 5 by minus 3 minus 6 equals to 0. So our next point is minus 3, 0. So that's B part 1. And in B part 2, it just asks us to draw g of x onto the curve. And here it's shown. So all I've done is put in my points of intersection, and I know that g of x is a line, and drawn my line.